On WHAS 11 News on this Friday, we were the first to show you some of the lengthy courtroom video from the Crystal Rogers trial right here last night. Now tonight, we are finding the key moments to show you that made the biggest headlines. Hello everybody, and thank you very much for joining us. I'm Doug Proffitt. Alexandra Goldberg, who covered the trial, and senior photojournalist Alyssa Newton talked to WHAS 11's legal analyst, attorney Nick Mudd, to break down the biggest moments. And we'll have that story for you coming right up. More of the major moments are also posted on WHAS11.com. Sherry Ballard, by the way, as we're talking about this, released a new statement reflecting on the trial. In a post to social media, Sherry Ballard today thanking the community, saying in part, "You were the pillars that kept me supported. I'm very blessed to live in a small town that comes together in events of tragedies, that loves their neighbors as their family. I've never felt more love and support as I did coming back home after the worst weeks of my life." Now let's go to our story as WHAS 11's legal analyst Nick Mudd breaks down that brand new video.
In regard to Commonwealth versus Brooks William Houck, in regard to instruction number 4.
If you'll pause right here. As a lawyer, this is the worst moment in your job.
The trial on tape, giving the public a first look inside the courtroom of the Crystal Rogers case. We brought the biggest moments to our legal analyst, Louisville attorney and former prosecutor Nick Mudd, watching the courtroom cameras for the very first time.
We, the jury, find the defendant guilty of murder, principal, or accomplice under instruction number 4C.
Notice, though, that no one reacted. Generally, I tell my clients that you do not smile, you do not cry.
In this playback, take a look at the prosecution, Shane Young and Teresa Young for the Commonwealth.
For instruction number 4C.
I think that was a look at Sherry Ballard to say, we got him.
A moment of relief, finding justice for her daughter after a long 10 years. Rogers seen on tape and showed to the jury as evidence just hours before her disappearance.
It's Crystal.
It's not just somebody in name, but it shows that's a human being that had value and meaning and a normal life like all of us.
The first time in 10 years, the public is seeing Rogers on video. The first time the public is seeing former Houck employee Charlie Girdley deliver damning testimony.
He said he'd been shave their head and pull their teeth and the hogs would do rest.
I'm not in the jury's mind, but I think it had to have struck a very, very deep chord with them. Number one, because the shock value of it, he was plain as day, matter of fact, here's what it is. And so it surprised me the amount of credibility he had in his demeanor when he presented that testimony.
But the defense came back with a rebuttal, putting Rhonda McElvoy, Houck's little sister, up to the stand.
We did not have a hog farm in 2015. What was there were some little pink pigs. They had some little black dots on them.
At first I thought, great move. Yeah, little bitty pigs. And I have a complete different reaction now. I think if you have any jurors with experience with raising pigs or hogs, well, here pigs though, like the picture, they certainly would probably attest to the fact that give those little piggies about an hour and something will be gone.
Mudd saying that theory could have resonated most with the jury. No DNA, no body, no motive, but hearsay turned testimony under oath. In Louisville, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11, on your side.